Why do 73% of cyber attacks go undetected for months? Because attackers like the space pirates have mastered the art of stealth. Here's what you need to know. Impress IT Solutions is sounding the alarm on a dangerous new malware called LuckyStrike Agent. This sophisticated net backdoor is targeting IT firms in West Houston, using Microsoft OneDrive for command and control operations. Identified in November 2024, this malicious campaign is the work of the notorious space pirates, a group infamous for cyber espionage and data theft. Their tactics? Exploiting publicly accessible web services, conducting extensive reconnaissance, and spreading through networks undetected for months. Experts say a multi-layered cybersecurity strategy is crucial. Endpoint protection, continuous network monitoring, and comprehensive incident response plans are your best defense. The space pirates aren't just using LuckyStrike Agent, they're also leveraging DDRAT and a modified proxy utility called Stowaway. Their stealthy approach means they can remain hidden in your network, gathering intelligence before launching a full-scale attack. Impress IT Solutions recommends regular security audits, advanced endpoint protection, network segmentation, employee training, and a solid incident response plan. West Houston businesses can't afford to ignore this threat. Contact Impress IT Solutions today to fortify your defenses against cybercriminals like the space pirates. Stay safe, stay secure. This is your cybersecurity alert.